Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Beetles box unboxing and review, and this is the set I came up with, so let's check it out. This is a cute little box from Beetles I found from Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description box for you. It is really nice. It comes with a huge bag of the clear nail tips. Let's open it first. So of course there's instructions on how to use it and prep and all that good stuff. And check out that big bag of clear tips. And these are the long clear tips too, so they're really nice. And it comes with a mini little light, which is really cute. I like how it stands up so you don't have to struggle to get your nail underneath. It comes with a little cord as well. I ended up using one that I already had because I like the extra long ones, so that way I don't have to struggle from where I plug it in. So these are all the nail tips, so I'm going to just size them out to what I need. I really like the gel nail glue that they offer in this kit. That's it here. And it goes on really well. You actually don't need that much of it, which you learn as you move along. As you put them on, you'll know how much you actually need. So I actually just take it and I swipe it onto the clear tip first, and then you just place it at your cuticle and press down. That's the easiest way I ended up finding. Unfortunately, as you can see, I was a little off screen, so you couldn't see it on every single one that I did. So I did have to cut out some of it because it wasn't even in the shot, unfortunately. But that's how you would do it. You would put it right onto the nail tip and then place it at your cuticle and just press down lightly, and then just put your hand right underneath that little light. So it works really quickly, really easy and simple. I didn't have to struggle with it too much, and if I did get any on my skin, I used a brush and wiped it off, and then afterwards you can always smooth out with a nail drill or a file. That's just to make sure you don't get any irritation on your skin. And this little lamp also, I want to remind you guys that it's not one that I would use for a full cure. This is good for like the initial curing to hold it in place. After it looks like it and feels like it's completely sealed, I always go into my larger lamp and do another 30-second cure, because I do want to make sure that gel underneath is solid and it's not going to pop off on me. And when you use these little lamps, like you saw just a little bit ago, I kind of wiggle it back and forth, and that's just to make sure that it's curing on all sides. So these are the colors I'm using. I'm using a purple stamping polish, and then this Nail Addict's Cutie Pie. And I use the Cutie Pie on my pinky, my ring fingers, and my thumb. And then my pointer and my middle are clear, and I used the purple stamping polish on top of them. It was a really soft, pretty combination. I really enjoyed that. It was so pretty. So on this set, we're doing some flowers and some butterflies from these stamping plates. Okay, so now they're top coated, and this is the look I have after the stamping. Very pretty flowers and butterflies. Now I found these on Amazon. They're called Lolli Beads. They're rhinestones. They are very, very similar to Swarovski crystals, I'm telling you. They are so gorgeous. The sparkle is amazing. I've had these on for nearly 2 weeks, and I have been rough. I mean, rough beyond rough on my nails. And they are still on and sparkling like I can't even tell you. They're so beautiful. So I got these in that AB iridescent look, and then the sapphire. I can't even get over the bling on this. It is so gorgeous. Now, of course, these you do not want to go over with the top coat. You just go right up to it and around it just to seal it in, cap it in, but do not go over them. You'll lose this high shine, and you don't want to lose it because it's so beautiful. Check out this sapphire blue. Aren't they beautiful? I had to get some air in them so they would turn around. There you go. Now you can see them. Aren't they pretty? And it's nice because it comes in all different sizes as like a packet. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. Okay, so I'm ready to bling out these nails. They are going to be so pretty. I'm so excited. I just can't wait to show you guys the final result. I had a lot of compliments on these. They were so pretty. The length is nice and long. They're really very feminine looking. They're very pretty. I love this kit. And I loved these stones. Let me know in the comments below if you really like these. So I'm using my Nail Addict no wipe type top coat to seal these all in, being very careful not to touch any, just going right around each one. If you need to, you can use a fine detail brush to help you go around your crystals. And then I will cure these and show you the reveal shots. Okay guys, so here we are going to finish up, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please shoot me a comment down below. I really like to chat with you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.